is this thing. What is the name of this thing? I don't want to hear no crochet hook, anything like that. I need to get a new camera. What is this thing called? Let's think of a creative name for this tool. It's a magical tool for your locks. So drop your name ideas in the comments below. So welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm so excited to show y'all about this tool. I discovered it through YouTube as well. So the reason why I use this tool for my locks is because the type of texture my locks are. I don't know which letter in the alphabet, the type of hair I have, but my hair is more soft and it is thick and it is wavy. So I use this tool to manage the frizz on my locks. So how I do that, and I've already did these, that's why I'm wearing this little hairstyle right here, because I've already did that. I just have this little bun right here. So I'm going to just take one down and show you all how this thing works. So here is a lock. You see all that frizz? Look at that. Look like a little caterpillar. So I'm going to show you how this is done. Oh, here's my husband. Watch my arm recording. Check out his mushrooms, y'all. He's trying to feed me a mushroom. It's a king mushroom. It's so good. That definitely tastes like how a pulled pork sandwich tastes. It's really good. So I'll drop this information in the description box below so you all can follow the journey, order some mushroom blocks and things like that. So back to this. This is what this lock is looking like, and I'm gonna solve that with this. Okay, so here we go. I used the tool with the hooks facing me, and I put it in there, and I rotate as I'm going in and out of my lock. Then I just did that little part. Let me move down here where the real frizz is at. I wish I can get close up on it, y'all. That y'all can see. Yeah, don't judge me. I gotta do my nails right now. They look awful trying to do this video, huh? But they look like continents. Okay. So just take it and rotate the lock as you're going in and out. And yes, it does take time to do this. I've been working on my hair for about 3 days. And I wanted to do this first before I do my retwist. So look at that. Already better. And just clean it up a little bit more. Clean mine up a little bit more up here. I forgot what I was just saying. But yes, I love this tool. Like I said, we need a magical name for it. It's a magical tool. My locks was looking real rough before I discovered this. And I like using the 3-prong, the 3-hook. So let me tell y'all where I purchased it from. I purchased it from Amazon, right? Get everything from Amazon. So yes, I got it from Amazon. It came in a pack of 3. A single hook, a double, and a triple. So I'm working with the triple because it gathers a lot more hair than the single. And it's way better than, I didn't have an actual, I have crochet hooks here, but I don't have one in size. And this is a 0.5. So let's check that out. Ooh, look at that. Y'all, this retwist that I'm about to do on my hair is on fleek, okay? So yes, check it out. Get this tool if you are suffering with frizzy locks, okay?